Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Yana. Hey, welcome. And for all my returning subscribers, is glad to see you again. How are you? How's life? Great. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be installing my wig for the first time, but I don't think I've installed it. I've installed a wig before, but like not on some serious thing. Like I literally just applied glue and stick it. Didn't last the whole day. But this time, I'm considering this my real first install. I'm not good with wigs. Even though the concept seems easy, it's not easy. But yeah, let me just really just get into this video. If you stay through the whole video, make sure you do, please, because we're gonna trust the process. But yeah, let's really get into this video. No talking. Before we continue with this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the family because we're lit over here. I'm lit over here. You're gonna get to know me. You're gonna fall in love. That's on facts. Now let's go. Okay, so technically my hair is supposed to been done, but last week it was just a total shit show. The wig I bought was terrible. It was synthetic. I did not know it was synthetic, but I had ordered it months ago. I wanted to use it. I didn't like how the install came out, so I took it off. If I don't like my hair, I'm taking it off, especially if it's a wig, something I can't take care of, and you're already messing up and like shedding a lot and not looking smooth and breezy. I'm not going to. So like this whole week I've had meeks in my hair. As you can see, like my hair grows fast, but that's fine. So school starts on Wednesday. Today is Monday, and I can't keep going outside, especially to school, with my hair looking like this. So I decided to order this wig on Friday. It came yesterday. But yeah, I opened it because I really wanted to make sure like the wig is good and like the lace is good. And if I didn't like it, I would return it and order another one. So I had to open it. It came with a wig cap. Open the wig up itself. It came with, but like, let's really get into the package. By the way, this video is not sponsored by nobody. Y'all need to start sponsoring me. It came with this elastic band, but like, whose head is this fitting? Like, not mine, so I had to go buy me one. I'm gonna show you what I bought in a second. And then it came with the wig itself. So this wig is 16 inches straight. This is how the wig looks. Smooth. The lace, I'm not really a wig girl, but I know for a fact this lace is too light because I compared it to my hand. I don't really know much about this. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Ordered it off Amazon. If you want to know more about the details, I'll send a link to this exact wig in the description box below. But yeah, see, this was the last wig I had on my head. It was not moving like this. It was crunched. But yeah, okay, so I've watched a couple of videos on like how to install your lace. So I went to the beauty supply store because half of the things I had wasn't with me. So I got this wig lace band. I got this Eben Wonder Lace Bond Extreme Firm Hold because we need this lace to stick on my head. And then I also got the Eben Lace Extreme Hold Glue. And then I got this wig tent because I noticed the lace was too light. And as you can see, I'm a brown skin girl, so I got the shade dark brown. I should have got medium brown, but I don't know. I don't know. And then I got this razor. Not only did I get it for my face, but I also got it for the lace because like girls use it to like cut it off. And I was trying to find the scissors, but like I don't like asking people where it's at, and I had a hard time finding the scissors. And I literally bought 5 things, y'all, and it came up to $43 at the beauty supply store. Make it make sense. So yeah, so I think I got all the things I hope I need. I also got a blow dryer. Well, I didn't buy it, but like I have a blow dryer to use. And I have this curling iron. I have this, let me finish. I have this because my hot comb, I forgot it at my boyfriend's house, and he didn't want me to buy another one at the beauty supply store because he thought it would make no sense to spend my money on that. But I'm not seeing him until whenever I see him, and it's at my house, and I need to get this wig done today. So hopefully this helps bring it down, but if not, I have my blow dryer slash heat straightener. I'll show you guys if I have to use it, but I have that too. The whole thing is I need this wig to look nice. The edges need to look nice, you know. I'm trying to get like those girls. But enough chit chatting. Let me get into it. So yeah, right. So wow. So first things first, if my hair is not braided, which it is, I will braid it down, and then I will use some oil on my scalp because I'm gonna have a wig in, and I don't want my hair to be dry. So I got this Mael Rosemary Straightening Hair Oil. The girls that get it. If you don't know, get this oil. If you're my skin complexion and race, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're not really gonna get into that, but you know, because I see this like whole trend, or like not argument, but like people are really like, we are complaining that the white girls are taking our hair products and then reviewing it and saying it's bad for hair types, and it's really not. It's bad for your hair type. But this oil works really good. If you watch my last video, which was the New Year's Eve get ready with me, I also use this oil on my scalp, and my hair has been growing tremendously, and that's what we love to see because we're not gonna give bald this year. See, I would re-braid my braids, but it's fine though. Probably when I install another wig, which I will be doing, not myself, but like be going to my hairstylist for that, because I'm just trying this out just to try it out. I don't have any money to pay anybody to do my wig install for me this last minute, and I wanted to try doing my wigs myself because that's one of my goals this year, to learn how to install my own wigs. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do. So I'm gonna finish oiling my scalp and I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, now that I have oil in my scalp, I'm gonna brush my edges back because I'm trying to have my edges when I take this wig off. So yeah, what I'm gonna use is my edge booster. One thing about me, this brand works if you have really thick hair. So I'm gonna push this back, everything, because I'm not playing when it comes to having all my hair. Because I've seen a lot of girls do their wigs all the time and like they have no hairline, and I'm just like, how? And then I'm gonna use the blow dryer to like really help it. And one thing I love is that they come with 2 wig caps because I got a big head. So we're gonna put this on. I got a real big head, y'all. So, oh, yeah. Okay. I just hope like my edges aren't coming down with it, because girl, what are you doing? Okay. No, it's already coming back. Okay. All right. Boom. Right. That's how it's supposed to go. All right. So what I do next? Like, I put this on it. Right. Right. Because why is there already a hole on the side? Oh, am I supposed to cut the ears first? All right. Oh, well, this is already like, okay. So I sprayed it down. I don't know if I'm doing this right. And then I'll put the wig cap on top of it so it can melt. Oh, is it supposed to just go like this? Bro, I can't. Okay, so why is this showing? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so it's dried, so I'm gonna cut the cap. Okay, and then I just leave y'all just leave it like this. So the sides didn't really stick, so I'm gonna put some glue. I'm gonna use the glue right here to like really help. Oh, so I'm gonna come back because I need to focus. So I got it to the best of my abilities. I'm just ready to install this wig, like, for real, for real. So, oh, they really taped it together. So, because I guess people steal it. God, can you believe this can is $10 and they had a bigger size? All right, so am I supposed to spray this to make sure it like matches with my skin? Ooh, this smells good. Okay, so I think okay, so I got the right color then. Oh, this leaks. Sheesh. Okay, so just making the wig cap match my scalp. And then, yeah, so it's time for the actual wig. And I'm nervous, y'all, because sheesh. Let's see if it fits my head. Okay. Ah. It fits perfectly. Yeah. So now this is the problem. I don't have my hot comb. Right, hold on. So I looked in the mirror and I saw how the wig was looking. It's too light. I don't know how to bleach my knots and stuff. So I'm not even gonna try to attempt that. I know what I can do and I know what I cannot. And if I bleach the wig, I'm just wasting, what, $80? $80 foundation? And I could ask somebody, but like, who am I ask? So I'm just gonna tint it up a little bit. right? I try to do a bust. We're doing a bust down middle part, by the way. So yeah, it's just like, I am so scared, y'all, that this is gonna turn out so bad. So should I glue the wig down first? I should glue the wig down first, right? So we're gonna brush this all back. Clip this down. So I've seen girls like split it into 3. So I think that's what's gonna work best for me. Right? First layer. Let's apply the second layer. Okay, I think I applied too much for the second layer, but it's fine though. Okay, so I think it's done. So we're gonna move the lace to where it's sticky. Ooh, that is crimped. Okay. I feel like I have a weird shaped head. Right. So I actually have another headband that I did not know I had. And I used it before. So we're gonna really let that sit. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for a minute while I style the hair. Right? I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. I'm gonna blow dry this real quick. And I'm gonna use, it actually came with the, whatchamacallit, the hot comb. And I was so mad when I didn't have the hot comb, because like this would have been the easy part for me. But this, if I do a hair video again with it, but it's supposed to work really good. I can also link down, I can also put the link down below. Everything's mainly from Amazon, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go to the mirror and really make sure this is a bust down because I cannot afford. I don't have the time. We got 2 hours before I go to work, so I need to speed this up. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and I'll be back. I'm about to go in the bathroom to do this because I want to make sure it's precise. So I'll be right back.
You
flat because of the back, but like, oh, the bathroom light makes it look so terrible. Let's go with some, go right here. I just have a weird shape head. I fit better with like curly hair. So if I ever, I might buy like a curly wig next time. Probably install it for like Valentine's Day, but like, this is the finished product. Let's go ask my grandma what she thinks. Grandma, what do you think of the wig? You think I did a good job? I need to flatten it because like it's still like bumpy and stuff, but like don't mind that. I ain't gonna do all that. I just want to have it on my head.
Why don't you trim it?
Trim it for what? You're supposed to have like
Look at it in the mirror.
a flawless look.